So let's make some gift boxes because I think gift boxes are such a great gift idea. They're affordable and you can personalize them to everyone. Get something that the person really loves and always uses, for example. So today we're gonna do like a pasta or Italian style gift basket. You can get any kind of basket to use. This one was just few euros, because gift baskets are kind of a thing that they can use after as well. I don't have any filler, so I'm just gonna use whatever I have at home to kind of fulfill the basket. Anything underneath it to make it a little bit more festive, I would say. And then you can just fill it with whatever you want. Put any kind of pasta you know they would love or something different that they've never maybe tried, just for fun. You can put any kind of pasta sauce, and you can add some pesto so that they can try out. And why not add some kind of spice or seasoning with it? There you have it, a simple but tasty gift basket. And you can decorate it however you prefer. For next gift, let's do a beauty gift. This gift is also around 20 euros. The most expensive thing is the face cream. The gift doesn't need to be expensive, so always think of the person, the things that they would need or they would want. So one thing can be more expensive and the other ones can be just an addition. So yeah, we'll add the cottons, the nose pore strips, some a different kind of face masks, and the face cream. That's the most expensive part of the gift. You can add more things if you want, or if you have a bigger budget, you can add some candy, or you can just leave it like that. Simple but a nice beauty gift. Next one is a fitness theme. This is perfect for someone who loves to go to yoga, to gym, to Pilates, whatever they prefer. But if you know there's something they need, like a shirt, active wear, a towel, or whatever it might be, then get a bigger gift, like this towel here. For example, this is for yoga and Pilates. It's a very nice, good quality. And then just some simple things. But I'm gonna roll this towel just so it will look a bit nicer as a gift. And I will put a bow on it. I'm not the best wrapper, by the way, but I do love making gifts, so. Here we go. Just something simple. Doesn't need to be fancy. If you're like me, doesn't know how to wrap things, here we go. You can just add it here. Add their favorite drink, whatever it might be. It doesn't have to be a Red Bull or an energy drink, but just something to add to the gift. And then we have some protein bars. Got whatever you know what they will like. It can be even a protein cookie or protein powder, whatever it might be. These are just addition, a small addition. And a small like travel perfume, which is so good to take with you when you go to a gym or a Pilates class, but it smells really good actually. This one is salted caramel perfume. And it's not that expensive. This gift I think was around 20 euros as well. Next one is a drink theme. It can be anything. It can be the favorite cocktail kit. It can be tea, coffee based, or whatever you know they would prefer. I will just add some paper underneath. So I have some black tea bags that are perfect. And then I had some loose green tea that I thought I'll put in a nice jar just to make it a little bit more festive. And the cutest Christmas themed mug. I love that it's bigger as well, not a small mug. A tea infuser that goes perfectly with the loose tea. And then just a little bit of chocolate. And there you go, a simple but very cute and affordable gift basket or gift box. Next one is a hand theme or a self-care theme. It's very simple, and again, you can buy something more expensive, one product, and then just add small items for it. For example, this one is a cuticle oil, and that was the most expensive part of this gift. And then you can just add some small items that are a little bit more affordable. So we'll put this cute gift paper on the bottom. And then we just have a face and a hand towel. That's perfect for this kind of gift. We'll have the cuticle oil, a really nice hand cream. I love these, and they're so good to just carry around with you because they're small. And then just some nail files. You can buy different ones, smaller one, glass one, whatever it might be. But again, very affordable, but very nice. Next we have a cozy theme. And again, cozy theme can be anything. It can be socks, it can be a blanket, some pillows, pillowcases, whatever you want to put in the box. But I have a very cozy blanket, a candle holder, and some candles. But we're gonna wrap the candles first, just to make it a little bit more cuter. Just a simple, cute candle bag. And we have a big basket. Add the cozy, nice blanket. This is the star of the gift. And then you can just add the small gifts. Candle holder, the candles, and maybe just some candy. Whatever you would prefer. There you have it. A cozy, cute gift. Doesn't need much, but feels nice to get.